Okay, one more time here at Flash Equipment. This is a 2018 F550 dump. We got MSTs in the grill, $49 a piece. 5-year warranty, a Flash premium warranty. We've got the FL550A compact class 1 beacon up top, 4 of them, $49 a piece on FlashEquipment.com. We've got the Extreme Titan LED dash light, $89, 5-year warranty. Everything you're looking at here is 5-year warranty through Flash Equipment. Nice, bright, class 1 warning. And again, MSTs in the back, 4 of them down below. What a great light this is. Unbelievable projection. Get it at Flash.